Let's take a quick look at our Riva rear exhaust kit installation on a new Yamaha Jetblaster. Our system replaces all of the bulky plastic stock components that come in the Yamaha Jetblaster exhaust system. This includes a sound suppression system and all of the extra hose clamps and plumbing from the stock system. We now have a nice, clean, mandrel bent aluminum tube and high-strength exhaust couplers. And it takes the exhaust right from your stock exhaust water box, right out the back of the hull, through a beautiful billet aluminum exhaust outlet. We also include this block-off plate, which is where the stock exhaust dumps into your exhaust cavity. Overall, this is much more reliable than the stock system because we're replacing all of these plastic parts and rubber hoses with high-strength components. Another big benefit of this system is that the exhaust tone is amazing. It's deeper, a very nice exhaust note. We're also reducing back pressure, which increases horsepower and low-end grunt. Overall, the system cleans up the back of your watercraft engine compartment dramatically and adds a lot of reliability.